copy the link of someone else's Facebook profile on PC. Here's how to copy the profile link of another person on Facebook using your computer, quick and simple. Step 1. Go to facebook.com and log in using your preferred browser like Chrome or Firefox. Step 2. Use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the name of the person whose profile link you want to copy. Then click their name to open their profile. Step 3. Once you're on their profile page, go to the top of the browser. You'll see their profile link in the address bar. Click the bar, highlight the full link, then right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C. Step 4. You can now paste the link anywhere. Just press Ctrl+V in the message, email, or notes app. Just a little tip: if the person hasn't set a custom username, the link might include numbers, but it still works the same. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.